Information and speaking video. My name is Omar Mustafa and this is piece 100, 05200. Good morning and good afternoon everyone. Today I will be discussing the importance of pharmacists in healthcare. When majority of individuals think of healthcare, they usually picture doctors and nurses. However, pharmacists are just as important because they help patients receive legal and safe medication. They are more than just drug transporters. They are highly educated healthcare professionals that help with treatment, administration of drug mistakes, prevention, and overall patient health. Pharmacists do more than refill prescriptions according to the American Pharmacy Association. Pharmacists analyze drugs and ensure their safety and their value for each patient. They look for drug interaction, allergies, and connection dose to ensure the individuals are not put at risk. In the United States, there are over 6,000 location pharmacists, making pharmacists one of the most affordable healthcare professionals in major neighborhoods. One of the most important roles of pharmacists is improving patient safety according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Medication errors harm at least 1.3 million people every year in the U.S. Pharmacists help reduce these errors by carefully checking prescriptions and educating patients on how to properly take their medication. Studies report that by major news sources such as the Washington Post have shown that when the pharmacists are involved in healthcare terms, medication errors in the hospital can be reproduced by up to 50% in some cases. This shows how critical their role is in preventing harm and protecting patients. As a healthcare becomes more involved, pharmacists have become more patient. The average annual pay for pharmacists in the U.S. stands around 136,000 according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, which demonstrates how highly educated and respected this fine work of art is. Additionally, the Bureau of Labor Statistics states that there are about 13,600 job opportunities annually, mostly as a result of old age and the continuous need for healthcare. In addition to providing drugs, pharmacists are now providing health tests, prevention care, and assistance in dealing with chronic medical conditions like hypertension and diabetes. In conclusion, pharmacists are an important part of the healthcare system. They support doctors and nurses to better qualify of life, ensure pharmaceutical safety, and inform patients. The healthcare system must be far less insignificant without pharmacists. Thank you very much.